if you don't have an employer, you're shouldering double.
Literally in awe of how beautiful Dinagat is, which in essence what we're saying is that we're going to create the jobs where they own it.
Who said mining is the only thing? My God, if you see the place, Blue Lagoon, Enchanted River, mountains, water, who said that it can only be mining, di ba? Let Dinagat benefit Dinagat. Let Surigao benefit Surigao. There's been mining there for so long. 77 years, 100 years have been mining. Where are they? Surigao is poor, Dinagat is poor. And 26 of the mining operators is in Caraga. Eh bakit mahirap in Caraga? Hindi ba problema kung talagang if it's good, na bakit dapat mayaman na lahat sila? At alam ko sa ecotourism zones ko, konting pera lang. The next year, may pera na sila, no? Wala nang mahirap. So why not like that na lang? Ang ganda ng Pilipinas. At saka yung pera lumalabas eh. Lumalabas sa bansa, lumalabas sa local economy. Kailangan, it should stay there for the